like for like, that type of cleaner, as opposed to a regular carpet cleaner. Okay, so there's another tip for you. Hey, it's all about tips. And I'm going to take a quick look at this floor, and I see some more spots here. See there? Nasty old spots, these people. What's going on here? I've got to keep my place clean. See? There's another one, there's another one. But with Simple Green, it comes right up, and usually you go over next to your couch or something. And sure enough, there's some more right there, right there, right there, over there. And so I'll do some spot cleaning before I get my carpet cleaner out. And I wasn't really going to show you my carpet cleaner. Nah, I'm not going to show it to you. I got it at Home Depot and it works good, and I just put it together. And I had it stored in my cabinet. And I think I might have shown you some videos of that before. Peace. Ha. See here? I put this cabinet in here and I locked it all up. And I've got my carpet cleaner boxes fit in there. I would have opened that and showed you, but I got it locked and the keys in the other room. Okay, but I put this cabinet in there. I cut my shelf down and I put this in, and I had to take my upper shelf. Actually, this one was up higher, but if you have a shelf that's about right in here, you can cut that. In fact, I think, no, yeah, I might have done that in my other room. I might have had to cut the shelf. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Yeah, see this shelf. See, this one isn't as high, and so right up against the cabinet, I cut it. You see? Here's my cabinet. Here's my cabinet, and I cut my shelf back to here. See? And then I put my cabinet in there. Isn't that nice? Look, I even got my golf clubs in there now. And then you can close this, and then you can slide your closet door closed. Isn't that nice? And so I did that in both of my cabinets. Now we're talking storage. I didn't know this video was going to be about finding more storage space. You see? That worked. And I can take my chairs, and I can put my chairs right back in there. And I got all this locked up. So when I leave, kaboom. Here's some more storage. You want to stick around? Here. I put a cabinet above the toilet area, and I've locked that up, put storage in there. And I even did something nice. I got a nice black master padlock, and I got a nice black hasp there, so it kind of matches. Okay, and I made some more storage. Want more storage than that? Okay, I'll show you some more. You can have storage out here. If you have a microwave here, you can put a padlock up there, and you can have storage up there where nobody can reach. You want more storage? Here's some more storage. You can get an armoire like this. I used to have a leather mirror right here, and this is just a cubby area. I put an armoire there, locked it all up, and I put storage shelves in there, and that's storage. Okay, you want more storage? Okay, here's a little bathroom. Here's a little bathroom in here. I put these two cabinets. I put those cabinets in right there, and I put some more shelves in there. Look at all that. All that stuff, extra storage, baby. These used to be upper cabinets in a kitchen, and I flipped one upside down, and I got both sides matching on the side. The sides over here are white because they went back to back. And then I flipped the doors around, so I have all the handles right here, fit right in there. And then they only had one or two shelves, and so they were adjustable, so I put in some more adjustable shelves. Boom, boom, boom. There's more storage for you. Okay? I got storage coming out in my ears. And I got stuff up in my loft even too. And I put a ladder, got a ladder up in here. Where did I get the ladder from? Well, here's my ladder, but I don't leave it out. Where do I keep it? I'll put it underneath the bed. Okay? You got a master, if you got a king size bed, you can slip a ladder under there. Okay? There's all kinds of things you can do for extra storage. Don't tell me you don't have any room for storage. Be creative. Think about your different projects and do what you need to do. Here's another storage idea for you. Here's the kitchen area, and see, here's your drawers right next to a stove, and you've got this whole area here. It's empty. There's nothing under it. Well, how could you get under there? Well, if you've got a little area kind of like this. What you could do is you could cut a hole out right here, and then you can fashion a cabinet. You can slip it in there. You can put a face frame around here, and you can lock that up or whatever, and you can have a nice, all that area it could be used now. See right in there? You see what I'm saying? You've got from here back, all that is wasted space. How wasteful was that when they designed this? Okay, there's another tip for your storage needs. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.